Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighbourhood hairdresser. We are going to be stress testing hair systems, one which is Lordhair, another is a no-name brand, which I am not going to name. So let's see which one does best. Follow me! First up is the wear test. So I've worn both systems for 3 full weeks. Now which one wore best? We have the Lordhair system here, and then we have the no-name brand. The first thing I like to check out is how soft the texture is of the hair. So when I'm looking at the Lordhair system here, it is visibly more vibrant and it feels super soft. The base here on the Lordhair system pretty much looks like it did when I first got it. It feels like it's nice and there's no tears and it's in really good condition. Now we have the no-name brand. You can visibly see on the brand here that after 3 weeks there is already some matting, which I didn't find in the Lordhair system. The hair feels a little drier, but the base is also in perfect condition. I find that the base has worn very well, just like the Lordhair system, but the hair itself, not so good. Next up is the heat test, and I used a GHD flat iron. This goes up to the same temperature. There's no dial key on it, just so you know that I'm using the very same temperature on both systems. So first up, we're starting with the no-name brand, and we basically are going to put this to the test, leave it on the clock for each system and see if anything happens. Okay, so now I'm going to take my fine-toothed comb and brush it through the system. I can see already some hair has singed or broken off. Now I'm testing my Lordhair system with my GHD flat iron, and I can smell a little bit of smoke, but not that much at all. Lo and behold, Lordhair Systems has done it again, and not one hair has left my hair system base, nor has it broken off from the heat, and it doesn't even look burnt. Again, 100% hands down, Lordhair wins this test. Next up, the most exciting one is the tear test. So I want to test how strong these bases are. We picked similar bases to make sure that everything was the very same going into this. So they both have thin skin and they both have lace. First up, we have the Lordhair system, and we are going to check out this base. This is the tear test. My favorite one that I'm going to do because I'm really going to get to test my strength on these hair systems. The Lordhair, I know, is extremely well made. There are quality checks done it. So I feel like already Lordhair might win, but you never know. So here we go. Okay. I feel like nothing has really happened. I have stretched this and tried to tear it, and it is just not happening. Even the thin skin is quite strong, and I don't feel any tear. The lace is really well made. I feel like it just bounces back, and even when I try pull hair out, it's not. Oh, 2 strands. I think this one worked really well. Okay, so next up we have our no-name system. Let's see how this withstands. Okay. Already I can feel this stretch. Okay. That just fell apart in like 2 seconds. Okay, so you can definitely see the quality in bases. We have our thin skin, we also have our lace. There was actually, you can see there is no stretch, and I'm going to see if I can even pull hair out of the system. Okay, you can see already lots of hair came out of that system. These hair systems are the very same age. There should be no reason why this should tear. There you go. Okay, so you can clearly see, again, Lordhair wins hands down, 100% much stronger. That's why you know Lordhair has pure quality. So now our stress test is done on both systems. You can clearly see that Lordhair has won. So We tried our strength test, we tried the pull test, and everything that we put the Lordhair system through, it really came through for us. You really get what you paid for when you invest in the Lordhair system. These luxury systems are the best on the market, so don't go spending large amounts of money on other systems that don't really work.